Dudes, I am back. In this video, I am doing this game. Looks like we guys fishing. Okay. Okay, so I'm farther out in the water. I'm almost beginning to the red waters. Already past these. So, fishing. Show you how to play and some of the tips and stuff. Okay. Okay. This is what I was looking for. So these, they cost 10 gems, but if you sit there for a while and don't open them, then they eventually cost 0. And then you see them there opening, and then you get items. And then this thing, you get a box, you click on it, and then you can just claim money from it. And these are just goals. So I'm gonna get fishing. So far I'm get the little ones like that one. Wait, little one, like a little one like that one, or big one. Like that's this one. Oh, that's big. So got another box. And then I just have to wait for a little bit. And a bunch of them come in. I'll tell you what all these do. So you want to get all these to the max it can go up to. School, the little ones. Alright, so I just fishing off out of school. That's one of the things that you can get. You can see where I am right now. These are the items I have. These are all the items you can get. Upgrade them to the highest. Hold on 1 second. Okay, I'm back. If you want to know why my money went higher, that's because I just got another box. When you do this, there's something weird. It's like a kind of glitch. If you fish a lot, you wear that. Ooh, not school. They're a little bigger. So as you can see, this guy fishes too. So he helps you if you get these people in your crew. So all these people, items, and stuff like that. So yeah.
Mom, I get no coupons.